It's a partial relief for Siddaramaiah, the Karnataka Chief Minister, who is under scrutiny for his alleged involvement in the Muda land grab case. Remember, this is a controversy that has moved Karnataka politics, with the BJP protesting every day, asking for the resignation of the Chief Minister. Meanwhile, the Governor of Karnataka, Thawaar Chand Gehlot, had also given his nod for the prosecution of the Chief Minister, following which Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah had moved High Court over the Governor's nod for prosecution. The High Court now has asked the trial court to defer the Chief Minister's cases. The High Court has stopped the trial court from acting against the Chief Minister. Remember, the Chief Minister, in his defense, had said that he had not done anything wrong in the last 40 years of him being in public life. But the Muda case is all about a questionable land exchange between Muda, which is Mysore Urban Development Agency, and with his wife Parvati. But the CM had said that he was completely innocent in this and he had not really done this. High Court basically has asked the trial court now to not act against the Chief Minister till the 29th of August. I have my colleague Pratibha, who has been covering this case for us. Pratibha, tell us, what did the court say today and how can we say that this is a temporary relief for Siddaramaiah?
Definite temporary relief, because the court did say that there would be no precipitative action based on the impugned sanction by the governor. However, the hearing would be adjourned to 29th at 2:30 p.m. Until then, the main reason why the hearing was adjourned was also because there are two other pending proceedings that are taking place at the trial court based on the complainants who had earlier approached the governor. One by Mr. Snehamai Krishna and the other by Mr. T.J. Abraham, both of which were adjourned on the 20th and 21st respectively in the trial court. So the High Court did not want those proceedings to interfere with this proceeding, and that is precisely why the hearing has been adjourned to 29th. Now, a comprehensive look at what happens in the trial court would also be taken into consideration when this comes up for hearing on the 29th.
Also, Pratibha, what can we expect, after this deadline, passes? Because there has been some relief that has been given. And also, how is the BJP looking at this? We saw the Congress party, the unit in Karnataka, rally around the Chief Minister, forgetting all the differences and the flashpoints and the fault lines. Tell us, how is the BJP and the Congress looking at something like this, and what happens after 29th of August?
When you look at the permission for sanction, it is definite permission that has been given to either investigate or prosecute the Chief Minister based on the findings. That is what it means. So when you look at that, what kind of investigation can be done cannot happen when the Chief Minister is holding the post. And that has been the point of contention by the BJP, demanding the resignation of Mr. Siddaramaiah there. However, Siddaramaiah stating that there are already two inquiry commissions that have already been set up looking into this, and that this definitely does not necessitate his resignation at this point in time. And the Congress government is also looking at quashing of the case. Now, what happens on 29th would definitely determine whether the case would be quashed or whether there would be a precipitative action in the form of proceedings against the Chief Minister. And if that happens, then definitely the CM's throne is also under question.
Okay, Pratibha, my last question to you. Do you also see this probe expanding to other allegations of misuse of land with respect to Muda? Because, there are people who have also come out and said that there are beneficiaries from across political spectrum, from different parties. Even mutts have been given land in very questionable terms. Do you see this probe expanding to how Muda has functioned all these years?
Well, that definitely played a part of the arguments that were presented today by Mr. Singhvi, who did say that of all those beneficiaries between so-and-so year and 2024, when this came to light, how is it that the entire focus only got stuck with the Chief Minister, that is the current Chief Minister of Karnataka, and that is Siddaramaiah, when there are a lot of other beneficiaries who are public servants who have gained with this particular scheme or alleged irregularities in terms of land allotment there. And keeping that in mind, definitely, yes, those would also fall into the picture as far as these allegations of the Muda scam are concerned. In fact, when I did speak with the BJP state president today, he was talking about how there are other beneficiaries. He was talking about how this has precipitated into a 5,000 crore rupees scam. Now, when you are talking of the Chief Minister who's been involved or allegedly involved in this, definitely this will throw open the doors for other public servants as well in terms of these alleged irregularities.